Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Make It Yourself. First of all, a very happy new year to everybody. So today we are going to make this beautiful earrings and necklace set. I have named it as the oyster and pearl set mainly because it looks like a oyster with a pearl in the center. So this is a very simple tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. Do visit my channel and check out my other necklaces and earrings tutorials as well. Let's have a look at the things we will need for today's tutorial. So we're going to make this particular pattern and this will be used for the necklace as well as the earrings. So I'm using this metallic size 10 thread from Aunt Lydia, a crochet hook of size 0.75 mm. You will need fish hooks for the earrings and the pearls, then a pair of scissors and pliers. So we're going to start by making a slip knot. And then we are going to make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So then we are going to yarn over 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and then we are going to pull our yarn through the first stitch. Now we are going to pull the yarn through 2 stitches at a time. So first 2, second 2 and third 2. So we do this 3 times so that we have finally 2 loops left. Then we again yarn over 3 times and we follow the same step. We pull the yarn through the first stitch and then we pull through 2 loops at a time, and we do this 3 times. So this is the third time, and now we have 3 loops left. And then again we yarn over 3 times and we do the same thing again. So this is also known as a double treble crochet, but at the end we leave a loop here. So we have 4 loops now. Once we have 4 loops here, we will be yarning over 4 times now. So here we have yarn over 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to the first stitch again, pull our yarn through it, and then we pull the yarn through 2 loops at a time, and we do this 4 times. So this is the second set, the third set, and this is the fourth set. So finally we will be left with 5 loops. So when we have 5 loops, we will pull the yarn through all the 5 loops and then we make a chain of 1. So now if you see, we will have 5 strings available here. So we are going to work on each of the strings. So now we will start with the 5th or the last string that we just made. So we are going to make 2 half double crochet over it. This is the first half double crochet and then the second half double crochet. Following this, we'll be making 10 double crochets over the string. So once we are done with the 10 stitches, we are going to make 2 half double crochet in the middle stitch. This is the stitch where all the strings are connected. So 1 half double crochet and then the second half double crochet. So after this we are going to work on the string on the other end, that is on the other side. So this is the first string that we had made. So we're going to work 2 half double crochet followed by 10 double crochet and then again 2 half double crochet on it. So while making the half double crochet and double crochet over the string, make sure to include the tail yarn also so that it stays hidden within the stitches. So here is our first double crochet. So we're going to make 10 double crochets here followed by 2 half double crochet towards the end. So once we are done on this side, we are going to work on the string that is opposite to it. That is, this is the fourth string. So we're trying to go in a spiral way. So each time we will work on the opposite strings. So here we are going to make 2 half double crochet followed by 7 double crochet followed by again 2 half double crochet. So we are done with the string. So now we are going to work on the second string. So that is the string on the opposite side. And here we are going to make 2 half double crochet followed by 5 double crochet followed by 2 half double crochet. So this is the second half double crochet and then we are going to make 5 double crochets now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So following this we are going to make 2 half double crochets again, 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet. So finally we are going to work on the center string, that is the third string. So here we are going to make 2 half double crochet followed by 5 single crochet. So this is the second half double crochet and then we are going to make 5 single crochets on the string. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 and 5. So once we are done with the 5th single crochet, we are going to, so you can see we are having a spiral kind of pattern here. So we have worked on all the 5 strings and we get a pattern like this. So now we are going to chain 1 and we are going to reverse single crochet on each of the stitches from the starting till the end. So in reverse single crochet, we enter a hook into the previous stitch and then we pull through the 2 loops. So we will go through each and every stitches in a similar manner. It's like working in a backward reverse mode while doing single crochet. So we are going backwards, and while doing this we are going to cover all the stitches. So we are going to insert into the previous stitch and then pull through the 2 loops. Going to insert into the previous stitch and then pull through the 2 loops. So we need to do this from the beginning till the end. So we have created a spiral kind of a pattern here. So we are going to do this reverse single crochet over the entire spiral, and as you can see, because of this reverse single crochet that we're doing on top of the existing pattern, it is giving a beautiful twisted kind of look to the pattern. So you need to do this for the entire pattern. We need to reverse single crochet till we reach the last stitch. So here we have done reverse single crochet till the last stitch, and after we reach the last stitch we are going to slip stitch it to the base. So here base means we can put the hook to any existing stitches and then pull the loop through it so that it gets connected. So once we are done with this, now we are going to attach the bead. So for the bead, we are going to enter a hook through the center part here, which is nearest to our stitch, and then pull our loop through it. And then we are going to take our bead and insert it into the hook and then pull this loop through it. Then we are going to insert the hook to the other side of the flower and then pull this loop to the back side. So once we have pulled it to the back side, we are going to slip stitch it here, and just for additional security we are going to make a chain 1 and then we are going to cut the yarn. So the tail yarn that we have here, we can either stitch it or crochet it into the existing stitches to hide it. So here I'm just crocheting it into the existing stitches, and then cutting off the excess. So here this we are making 2 of it for both the ears. So we have made 1 pair of earrings here. So we need the fish hooks to attach it to these earrings. So we use a plier and attach it to the top, and then using a plier we can close the fish hook again. So we do the same to the other earring as well. Now that we're done with the earrings, let's have a look at how to make the necklace. So for the necklace we are going to use the same pattern and then make the flower, and only difference is how we connect one flower to the other. So for that we are going to make a chain of 5. So this chain of 5 will be the connector between the 2 flowers, and after making this chain of 5 we're going to make the chain of 6 for the flower. So this chain of 6 is a part of the pattern of the flower. So in between the connector will be the chain of 5. So after making the chain of 6, we are again going to repeat the same pattern of yarning over tries and pulling the yarn through the 6th stitch, and we do that 3 times, and on the 4th time we yarn over 4 times, and we repeat exactly the same pattern that we had done for the earrings. Also, another small difference is we are not going to do the part where we are going to crochet in the pearls as well. That we will be doing at the very end. So we are going to make as many flowers as we want, and to connect them we are going to string chain 5 in between the flowers, and then we are going to make the length based on our requirement. So once we have achieved the required length at the for the last flower, we are going to make a few chains. So this I have done so that it's easier for me to attach the clasp here. So this clasp, I'll be attaching it to this chain. So I'll be opening it using a plier, and then using the same I'll close the ring here. And so this one side, this hook is done. On the other side also I'll be using this ring and attaching it to the other side with the help of pliers. And here the necklace is almost done. We just have to stitch in the pearls. So this extra tail that is out, we can use a fabric glue and stick it in to, or you can even, if possible, crochet it in. So I'm just sticking in the extra tail. So here we have to stitch in the beads. You can do that using a needle, or you can even use glue or fabric glue or hot glue and stick the pearls to the center of the necklace. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will make this lovely necklace and earring set for yourself. Do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications, and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching.